to my channel. I just wanted to encourage you, if you are local to Missouri and Wright City area, even if you're like an hour away, it's totally worth it to go check out Long Row Lavender Farm. It's very farmhouse style, has a rustic vibe, and peaceful and quiet. There's a little cafe, and you can walk and look at the lavender, and just great people. So you should check them out. I actually got my shirt from them, and just a fun place to be. So if you're in Missouri, check it out. Thanks for stopping by.